Reduce the fracture with the provided pointed bone reduction forceps or lobster claw forceps. Drill the near fragment with the 3.5 mm drill bit through the 3.5 mm 2.5 mm drill guide. Insert the drill sleeve through the drilled hole and drill through the far fragment with the 2.5 mm drill bit. Measure the screw length with the low-profile depth device. Implant the desired 3.5 mm cortical screw with the T15 driver. Provisionally fixate the plate with BB tacks. Drill with the 2.5 mm drill bit through the 3.5 2.5 mm drill guide in the slot. Measure with the depth gauge and implant the desired length 3.5 mm cortical screw. Add additional 3.5 mm screws as needed. Distally, screw in the 2.7 mm locking drill guide and drill with the 2.0 mm calibrated drill bit. The measurement can be read off the drill guide. Implant a 2.7 mm locking screw or 3.0 mm cancellous screw with a T10 driver. Add additional fixation as needed. If syndesmosis fixation is required, drill lateral to medial through the fibula and tibia with a 3.7 mm tightrope XP drill bit. Alternatively, a guide wire and cannulated drill can also be used. Pass the tightrope XP through the fibula and tibia bone tunnels. Check under fluoroscopy that the medial button has exited the medial cortex. Rotate the handle so that the black XP release button is either directly superior or inferior. Remove the red safety tab and pull back on the black XP release button. Pull back on the handle to engage the medial oblong button on the cortex. Release the tight rope from the inserter and then remove the inserter. Slide the lateral button down to the plate. Wrap each suture tail around a tensioning handle and alternate pulling in line with each tail to reduce and fixate the syndesmosis. Cut the tensioning suture flush to the lateral button. The Arthrix distal fibula plates can be further augmented with the AITFL internal brace if needed. The Arthrix distal fibula plates and tightrope XP are offered in both stainless steel and titanium.